Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, here at Gary's Pool and Patio, we've been helping turn people's backyards into true private paradises for over 43 years now, since 1979. And we definitely pride ourselves on providing the very best for our customers. And when it comes to the brands of fiberglass pools that we install, we make no exception. And that's why Latham Pools is the top brand of fiberglass pool shells that we install here at Gary's Pool and Patio. Latham is actually the largest manufacturer of fiberglass pools in all of North America and in New Zealand. And they've been building quality pools for over 65 years. And we're excited about the many years that we've worked with Latham and of course our continued partnership with them in the years ahead. Every single year, Latham has a photo contest where all of the dealers around the nation submit photos of some of the amazing pool projects that they have recently completed. And we're super excited that Latham has just recently announced the winners of their 2022 pool contest, selecting one of our photos from a job that we recently installed in Spring Branch, Texas, as the #1 photo out of all of the photos submitted. That's right, we claimed the top spot out of every dealer in the nation. Now this pool project is a beautiful 16 by 40 Corinthian, which is a modern rectangular shape. It's a 16-foot wide by 40-foot rectangle, and it has an incredible large splash pad or tanning ledge in the entire shallow end. The Corinthian actually comes in 3 different sizes, a 12 by 25, a 14 by 30, and the Corinthian 16, which is the 16 by 40. The Corinthian 16, which is the one that helped us win that top spot out of all the pool photos submitted, is actually the #1 pool design out of all of Latham's pool shells for 2022. We're so excited about this achievement. It's just one more example of how Gary's Pool and Patio is not only helping get people swimming, but creating amazing, beautiful backyard paradises all over South and Central Texas. If you're ready to get the process started on your own backyard oasis, we are definitely ready to help. You can reach out directly at 210-494-5002. We look forward to talking to you soon, and we can't wait to help you get swimming.